how's your day? Welcome back to Science Lesson for P3 students with me, Miss Rosa. Today we are going to continue our discussion in Unit 6 about forces. So for now, we focus on the lesson C. What are the effects of friction? Are you ready, friends? Let's start! You can open your Pupil's book, page 139 until 147. The learning goals for our discussion today. First, you will investigate how a force can make a thing go faster or slower, or change its direction. The second one, investigate how friction can make a thing go slower. In this lesson, you also learn vocabulary such as friction, grip, heat, wear and tear. What is friction? I have an experiment. Push a coin across a smooth table. What happens to the coin? When I push the coin, it starts to slide down and stops. The push makes it move. Then what makes it slow down and stop? Let's discuss. A force acts between the coin and the surface of the table, makes the coin slow down and stop. This force is friction. Can you take a look for this picture? This is direction of the motion, and here is direction of friction. Friction is the force which goes against motion when two surfaces are in contact. Coin moving across a rough carpet. So, will the coin slide the same distance if you use the same amount of force to push it on a rough carpet? No. So, friction depends on the type of surface which is in contact with. The forces needed will be bigger when it moves on the rough surface than on a smooth surface. So my question, how can friction be useful? So can you take a look for those pictures? First, using a pencil and tying your shoelace. So here, friction between surfaces enable us to grip or hold on to things. Another way, it's easy to slip on smooth surfaces such as ice. This is because there's little friction between smooth surfaces and the soles of our shoes. Friction between the ground and the soles of our shoes helps our shoes grip the ground and prevent us from slipping when we walk. So for this one, a moving car will slow down when its driver applies the brakes. Can you take a look for the picture? So this is the brake and this is the wheel. Friction helps slow down or stop moving things. Friction between the brake and the wheel help the car slow down or stop. Another example, friction between moving surfaces produces heat. Friction between moving pieces of wood helps start a fire. Now, how can friction be a problem? Can you take a look for those shoes? The first one here, worn out soles, while for this one is the new soles. So, friction causes the soles of the shoes to wear out. If the soles of the shoes are worn out, they cannot grip the ground well. How can friction be a problem? The other one is this one, the spinning grinder and the piece of metal. Friction can produce heat. The moving parts of machine can become too hot and damage the machine. Friction between the piece of metal and the spinning grinder produces so much heat that sparks are formed. So what can we do to reduce friction? First, adding lubricants to moving parts. For example, applying oil to bicycle to reduce its friction and makes pedaling smooth. Or using rollers or wheels. The wheels on the roller blades reduce friction and allow us to go faster. Now let's recap what you have learned. First, friction is the force that opposes motion when two surfaces are in contact. The type of surface affects how much friction there is. Friction is usually greater when something moves a rough surface than on a smooth surface. Friction can be useful in daily life. For example, first, it enables us to hold on to things and walk without slipping. It enables us to slow down and stop moving vehicles. And the third one, it enables us to produce heat to keep warm or start a fire. But friction can be a problem in daily life, such as first, it causes wear and tear. It causes things to slow down. And the third one, it causes unwanted heat to be produced. So we can reduce friction by using lubricants or roller or wheels. Okay, friends, is my explanation clear? Thank you so much for watching my explanation today. See you on Zoom, friends. Bye, everyone.